Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon. Ryan B, Coach Ryan B, Rise Above Fit Club. I just got home from playing some disc golf, enjoying this great weather. Hope you all are having a fantastic Easter. Hope you all are enjoying spending time with your family. I just want to take a second to come to you all first and foremost, say Happy Easter. And secondly, let you guys know that I'm doing a conjoined clean eating group with my buddies Matthew and Kevin Wall. We're going to start tomorrow, Monday, April 6th. And pretty much what this group entails is just a group of people trying to eat clean and trying to get ready for the summer and fuel our bodies properly. Doesn't cost any money. It's just a private Facebook group, and basically all you do, you just comment, let me know that you're in, and I'll add you to the group every day before you eat your breakfast or your snack or your lunch. Just take a second, take a quick picture of your food, maybe a little brief description, and post it to the group. And what this does is kind of hold you accountable for what you eat. You know what I mean? Because unless it's like a once in a while thing, you don't want to post a piece of cake or anything like that, because we know that that's not fueling your body properly. So what it does, it kind of holds you accountable for one, to kind of make you want to eat clean and motivate you to eat clean. It also shares ideas with others, because there's a lot of people who may think that they eat clean and they don't eat clean, or there may be people who eat clean that want some different ideas or some different recipes. So this puts us all together in one group and gives us the opportunity to share pretty much our nutritional lives. Ask questions, answer questions, ideas, stuff like that. So it's a great opportunity. It's something that doesn't cost any money. Just takes a couple seconds out of your day just to snap a picture and post it, and just go through and like other people's pictures and comments, and hopefully it'll help you in your road to a successful, healthy fitness journey. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to ask. Also, like I said, just comment and say I'm in. That's all you have to do, and then I'll add you to the group. So I look forward to hearing from you all. Look forward to a lot of I'm ins. Like, I want some, I've been doing this healthy thing for about 16 months now, and I'd love to have some new ideas, and I'd love to share my ideas, maybe, get some of you guys out there, maybe trying some of the stuff that I eat. So, looking forward to it. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Peace out.